Hello. For our video, Group 1 proudly presents Hazards Around the World. Today we will look at the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and the plainosphere. Our hazard field route map is going to go from LA to St. Louis, Missouri, to Australia, to Japan. The above map shows the route that we will be taking exploring our hazards. Begin in Pasadena, go to St. Louis like I said, and we're going to go to Japan and Australia for looking at hazards such as tornadoes, earthquakes, and the rise of sea levels in Australia. St. Louis tornado, 1896. On May 27, 1896, a great cyclone hit St. Louis, killing 255 people and destroying 311 buildings in around 20 minutes. The fact that the tornado crossed the Mississippi River is probably part of why so much damage was done. Many died while on boats on the Mississippi River. The Great Cyclone of 1896 is 20 minutes over Terre, killed 255, and Lafayette Park in ruins. Many came after to see Chicago and St. Louis to see the cleared storms and wanted to witness it for themselves firsthand. Leaving St. Louis, Missouri, we will travel to Japan, where we see earthquakes happening as we speak with the shift of the tectonic plates moving. On March 11th, 2011, a magnitude 9.0 earthquake hit the northeastern part of Japan, including Honshu. Japan radioactive water was leaked by the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant due to the earthquake. Thousands of people still living in temporary housing by 2015, and total damage has been estimated at $300 billion. A massive tsunami came in moments after that took people by surprise and caused even more damage. The next video slide will go ahead and demonstrate a video of the tsunami caught firsthand. This video just shows a glimpse of the destruction that the tsunami that was created after the earthquake did to the coastline. The next video we see after this is actual moments from the earthquake. The cause of this earthquake was, according to the study published in the journal Science, energy that was building up in the Earth's core that has been relieved almost entirely by the earthquake. The tectonic plates, the Philippine Sea Plate, Pacific Plate, North American Plate, and Eurasian Plate, all moving at different degrees and different angles, were estimated to move 40 centimeters right before the earthquake occurred. It is estimated that 10 to 25 centimeters in the last 100 years of sea level have risen, and it's going to be 15 to 95 centimeters higher within the next 100 years. Due to the rising sea levels caused by global warming, some Sydney suburbs may be inundated with flooding and even sinking entirely underwater. According to a study done by Oz Coast, said suburbs include Cairnryan, Colonel, Cromer, and Manly Vale, as well as significant portions of Newcastle and the Central Coast. The study points towards a bleak outcome for these areas, even if it promises low global warming emissions to be kept governments around the world. So what do we do to not be left in the dark? Ride bikes, buses, local public transportation, recycling, anything we can to help global warming causes. We all have to remember the hazards that occur on the natural habitat we call Earth. The end.